Hello everyone. Today is day one, and I am super excited to share my expertise. Three secrets to live pain free. So here is my secret number one: is be aware of your postures. Be very cognizant about taking care of your postures while sleeping, sitting, walking, running, playing, or even watching TV, or even while driving also. So posture is the key to remain pain free. Secret number two is be active. Be active means keep your body in motion. Our body is not designed to sit, because our half of the body is our legs, and there's a reason to it. So do take care of your body. And like according to WHO, more than 80% people are suffering from lifestyle disorders only because of less active, their sedentary job, right? So secret number three is muscular strength. You have to do certain kind of exercise, be it yoga, pranayam, cardio, or simple exercises to make yourself body strong enough to hold any stress, right? So these are the three secrets. Now let's jump into today's topic, which is ergonomics for the neck. So today we'll be talking about only the neck. So most of the people are suffering from the neck, like headache, vertigo, dizziness when they get up. This is very common. So जब भी सुबह उठते हैं, so people tend to have this neck spasm. So this is most common. So common causes of the neck pain is definitely, which is working from home and working on the workstations without having a proper ergonomic guidelines. Next is if somebody do not have a proper workstations to work on, right? Another cause is, so there are two factors of having neck pain. So according to me, is earlier it was laptop, and nowadays it is smartphones. And there is reason, because a smartphone has a tendency of bending the neck most of the time and particular angle. This is the most common cause of the neck pain is forward head postures. So this you can see in teenagers, where they spend a lot of time on the tablets. You just observe your kids, your relative kids, nephew, niece. So just observe them. उनका neck कैसा है, उनका shoulders कैसा है, उसका neck shoulder से कितना आगे जा रहा है. So you need to observe them. And again I'm saying, so you must have heard of text neck. So text neck is nothing but problem associated with the texting and scrolling and emailing and all that, right? So simply I'm just saying, quickly explain you this. The moment you bend 15 degrees neck bending forward, the amount of strain comes to your neck is 8 kgs. जब भी आप neck 15 degree bend करोगे, the amount of load comes to your neck is 8 kgs. Further you bend further 15 degrees, just add on 8 kgs, right? But the problem is nowadays everybody is bending on 45 to 60 degrees, which is more than 32 kgs on pressure on the neck. So that is the only factor of developing cervical spondylitis, right? So let's take an example of three generation of technology, where we 20 years back we used to work on the desktops, जहाँ पे हमारा neck बिल्कुल straight रहता था, हमारा screen time बहुत कम होता था when we used to work in a proper workstations. Next generation was the laptops. Screen size कम हो गया, screen time ज़्यादा बढ़ गया, and then your angle of the neck has gone down. And this is the most crucial part, which is the smartphones, our own best friend, right? So this is where screen size बहुत ज़्यादा कम हो गया, screen time बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ गया, and your angle of the neck, which is the most crucial part of developing neck problems, is your smartphones, right? And another cause, very important, is wrong sleeping postures, wrong positioning of the sleeping pillows. So people आजकल सब बोलते हैं कि सर कौन सा पिलो लेना है, कौन सा नहीं लेना. So there are multiple options available online and offline, and people are getting confused. Memory foam लेना चाहिए, कौन सा लेना चाहिए. So sometimes people don't get to know कि where to put the pillow. So people have a tendency of putting the pillow wrong, like on the head, and head is not the neck, right? So you have to maintain the S-shaped curve of the neck, not the head. So guys, make sure you are putting your pillow under the neck, not under the head. Okay, so let's take an example. So if you are not comfortable with the pillow, you can take a small towel roll and put it like this. And make sure while sleeping sideways and sleeping straight, your neck is supported all the time. Next is, I am sure I'm sure this is the most कॉमन थिंग विच पीपल आर, सब सोने से पहले स्मार्टफोन जरूर जरूर देखते हैं, या तो यूट्यूब, नेटफ्लिक्स और स्क्रॉलिंग और टेक्सटिंग और व्हाट्सएप. सो दिस इज totally wrong. So this is the common factor of developing neck spasm when you get up early in the morning. So this is how you have to use your smartphones. So हल्का सा थोड़ा सा neck को incline कर दो with some cushions. Make sure your both the hands, elbows are rested, right? Next is, this is again common mistakes which people do. Sideways, कभी भी use नहीं करना smartphone sideways, because जो if you use like this, you tend to suffer, you tend to have neck stiffness on your upper side, upper arm. So this is before smartphone ergonomics, this is after smartphone ergonomics. This is how you have to use your smartphones. Hold your hand like this at this eye level. Make sure you are not using the smartphone for more than 20 minutes at a stretch. This is before laptop ergonomics. People tend to use laptops on the couches, beanbag, recliners, sofa. And this is the corrected one. On आपके पास घर पे cushions वगैरह होंगे तो just if you don't have the laptop stand, if you don't have the proper workstations, then what you can do is छोटा सा एक दो cushions रख लो, उसके ऊपर laptop रखो, and then make sure your posture is right. So this is again a common mistake which people do while texting, while using smartphones. Next is again while sitting. So that was while standing, and this is while sitting using the smartphones. This is while sitting and watching TV on the couches, on sofa, maybe on the recliners, and this is how you have to sit properly. So guys, these were the simple case study, I mean simple my expertise on the neck, because it's a huge topic I can't cover in one day and on the WhatsApp. So this is all about. So there is a simple homework for you, all of you, is try to calculate your screen time. Screen time means अगर आप स्मार्टफोन पे यूज कर रहे हो स्मार्टफोन, you have to calculate your smartphone screen time, even on the laptop, even on watching TV. So जो भी आपका डिजिटल स्क्रीन है, just calculate your screen time and let me know